Good morning, y'all. Okay, so my mother-in-law sent me a video this morning about cleaning out your washer filter. I had no idea that there was even a filter on my washer. So first of all, I'm super disturbed, and I may not even post this video because it may be so disgusting that I just can't. But so all you do, oh, mine's right here. So I'll pop that down. It's got a little shield on it. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I have a towel down because it showed that water might come out. I'm literally probably gonna die right here on the spot. Oh my gosh, okay, yeah, there comes the water. Okay, of course, getting wet. Small puddle. Okay, large puddle. Okay, yeah, that's pretty disgusting. Alright, now that I've got it cleaned out and my filter clean, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. Ta-da! Alright. And that's how you clean your washer filter.